Welcome to our YouTube channel on job discovery. The topic going look today is ratio. So friend, today question number 1 is the sum of three number is 98. Ratio of the first to second is 2:3, and that of the second to the third is 5:8. Then the second number is, so now see here. Suppose A, B and C three number is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 98. Suppose this A ratio B ratio C, right? So ratio is given 2:3 and another ratio is given 5:8. 5:8. See here friends, 2:3 first to second and second to third is 5:8 is equal to 98. Our target to find what is the second number. Then the find second number. So we have four options. Option A is 20, B is 30 and C is 48 and D is 58. So what will be the answer, right? So now see here. First, our target to find what is A ratio B ratio C, because B is given 3 and 5. So do one thing, keep here 5. This number keep here 5 and this number keep here 3, right? You can keep same number. Here is 3, so you can keep here 3. And if 5 is here, so you can 5 here. See here, 1 second. 3 is here, so you keep 3. 5 is here, so you can keep 5, right? Now ratio A, ratio B is ratio C. Calculate is 5 to just multiply 10. Ratio 5 3 is 15, right? And 8 3 is 24 is equal to 98. 10 plus 15 it will be 25. 25 plus 24 it will be 49. 49 is equal to 98. So 49 to the 98. So 1 unit is equal to 2. Our target to find second number. This is B, second number. So 15 into 2 it will be 15 into 2 it is 30. So our answer is this. Option number is option B. B is the correct answer. See once again friends. A third number, 3 number is equal to 98. Suppose that number is A plus B plus C. Given 2:3 first to second and second to third given 5:8. So we can keep here because B is 3 and 5. So A, B, C, we need A, B, C. So we have 5 here. So keep same number here and keep same number 3 is here. So we can say 3 is here, right? So multiply it. 5 to the 10, 5 3 is 15 and 8 3 is 24. So 10 plus 15 it will be 25. 25 plus 24 it is 49. 49 is equal to 98, right? So 49 to the 98. So 1 unit is equal to 2, right? Our target to find what is second number. Second number is 15. B is 15, right? So 15 into 2 it is 30. So option number B is the correct answer. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2. The salary A, B, C are in the ratio 2, 3, 5. If the increments of 15% and 10% and 20% are allowed respectively in their salary, then what will be the new salary ratio of their salary, right? So A, B, C ratio is 2, 3, 5. And we have 4 options. Option number A is 3:3 ratio 10. Option B 10:11:20. Option C is 23:33:60, and D is cannot determined. Okay, so now say here A ratio B ratio C 3%. Okay, 3%, and their ratio is 2:3:5. 2:3:5. His increment is 10%, 15%, 10%, and 20%. 15%, 10%, and 20%, right? A increment 15%, B increment 10%, and C increment is 20%. His salary is before increment 2, 3, 5. We can say this is 100%. 100 plus 15, it will be 115%, right? 100 plus 10, 100. After increment 110%. This is increment, and after increment, this is increment, and after increment, okay, increment. After increment 150%, 110%, and ratio 120%. Friends, 115% we can write as only 1.15, because here 150% like it, right? So 20 if we remove, it will be point here, so 1.15. Similarly 1.1, right? And ratio 1.2. Now 1.15 into 2, it will be 5 to the 10, right? And 2 1 the 2, and 1 3, and 2 1 the 2. Okay, and point is here after before 2 digits. Ratio 11 3 is 33, right? Ratio 12 5 is 60, right? Point is here. So friends, suppose 0 0 is here, so we can remove, right? Point is removed, and 0 we can easily remove 0 after point, no matter what is 0, right? So remove point also, because 3 have 0, so we can easily remove if 3 has 0, right? So ratio is 23 33 and 60. So this is our answer. So option number C is the correct answer. 23:33:60 is the correct answer. So friends, move to question number 2. Question number 3. The first terms of proportion are 3, 9, and 12. The fourth is the first terms of proportion are 3, 9, and 12. So the fourth is option A is 18, B is 24, C is 30, and D 36. So now see here. Suppose A ratio B ratio C. So what will be D, right? This is 1, 2, 3. Our target to find what is D. Suppose D is not here, so take it as X. Now A is 3, 9, and 12. 3 ratio 9 ratio 3 ratio 9 ratio 12 ratio. Our target to find what is X. So friends, we now that when we solve like this question, multiply this number to this number and this number to this number. So 3 into X, it will be 3X is equal to 12 into 9. 12 into 9. So 3 3 is 9. and 12 3 is 36. So x is equal to 36. So our answer is 36. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 4. The fourth proportion to 5, 8, 15 is. So what will be fourth proportion? So this is look like previous question, right? A, B, C. Our target to find what is D, and keep D is equal to X. 5, 8, 15. Now see.